Listen, the future is not far away. It's already here. In our hands, in our ideas, in our courage. From Lagos to Nairobi, Accra to Kigali, Africa is rising. Gently, steadily, beautifully, dog. From the soil where the stories begin, we carry hope from deep within. Step by step we find our way, turning dreams into today. Mama's prayers, Papa's voice, guiding us in every choice. From open markets to digital skies, we grow, we learn, we realize.
No rush, no fear, just steady hands,
building futures across our lands.
with every step, with every plan.
We shape tomorrow as we can.
We rise together,
Side by side,
with open hearts and steady pride.
from every voice,
From every land,
we build a future hand in hand.
we rise together,
Strong and true,
with every dream we follow through.
with hope, with love, with all we are.
Africa shines like a rising star.
Oh, through quiet nights and early days, we find new paths, create new ways, ideas growing, minds awake. Every step a chance to make, from learning rooms to city streets. Innovation gently meets the strength we've always carried through, now shaping something fresh and new.
Like seeds beneath the waves,